Hello automotive enthusiast. 2026 Lexus GX Overlanding build, balancing modern luxury with serious off-road capability. Luxury SUVs love to look adventurous. Big tires. Roof racks. Aggressive marketing shots deep in the wilderness. But the moment real rocks, mud, and mechanical stress enter the equation, most of them reveal exactly what they truly are. Comfort machines pretending to be explorers. That's why the 2026 Lexus GX is such an interesting challenge. Because underneath the leather, silence, and premium craftsmanship hides a platform with genuine off-road DNA. And now the question becomes far more serious. Can this luxury SUV survive a true overlanding transformation without destroying the refinement that made people buy it in the first place? To find out, we stripped away the polished showroom image completely. Higher clearance suspension. Rugged all-terrain tires. Full underbody armor. Recovery gear. Overlanding hardware designed for terrain that punishes weak engineering instantly. And honestly, the GX starts making sense the moment the pavement disappears. The first thing you notice is how differently this SUV approaches off-road capability compared to many modern crossovers. Instead of relying purely on software tricks, the GX still feels mechanically honest. The chassis communicates terrain naturally, while the suspension articulation allows the vehicle to maintain traction in places where softer luxury SUVs immediately lose composure. But the real engineering story sits underneath. Lexus equips the GX with its sophisticated kinetic dynamic suspension system, a setup designed to improve wheel articulation off-road while maintaining stability and comfort on-road. And this is where things become fascinating. Because systems this advanced often struggle under repeated heavy trail punishment. Hydraulic components overheat. Luxury tuning becomes fragile. Refinement disappears. But the GX refuses to fall apart. Even during aggressive rock crawling and uneven terrain transitions, the suspension continues balancing articulation with body control surprisingly well. The cabin remains remarkably quiet, isolating passengers from harsh impacts without disconnecting the driver from the terrain itself. That balance is incredibly difficult to engineer. Most serious off-roaders sacrifice comfort. Most luxury SUVs sacrifice durability. The GX somehow keeps both personalities alive simultaneously. And maybe that's exactly why the overlanding community is paying attention. Because modern adventure buyers no longer want stripped-down utility vehicles alone. They want long-distance comfort, reliability, silence, and premium craftsmanship without losing the ability to disappear deep into remote environments confidently. The 2026 Lexus GX feels built for that exact lifestyle. After pushing this overlanding build far beyond luxury SUV expectations, one thing becomes impossible to ignore. The Lexus GX isn't pretending to be rugged. It might quietly be one of the last truly luxurious SUVs still engineered for genuine global adventure.